Monday, the 1st of September 2025, 68 degrees, Howell Mill Road, yes, we're headed south. We just got off of I-75. I forgot what exit they said it was. We're headed to the Surrender site of Atlanta, September 2nd, 1864. Please like, share, and subscribe. We may go down Memorial Drive and we may hit Glenwood Road and go to the site of McPherson's last ride. We followed it one time. We have video of the different places down, the history markers of McPherson's last ride, and the monument over on Monument Street off of Glenwood Road, just inside of, I get what would be just outside of 285. We'll be passing by Atlanta Waterworks up here. If you're gonna come out, come on out. There's gonna be a lot of rough roads. Atlanta's streets are pretty bad. They had them all fixed up for the Olympics, but after that, boy, infrastructure, utilities. Chattahoochee Avenue to the right. I've never heard of Mission Burger. Plant-based. We used to be down here a lot, but we're very seldom to ever down here now. Very seldom, if ever. We're going to try to stay as away from these rough spots as we can. Crossing over a railroad bridge. Train out there too. CSX has a big rail yard up here. Like I said, the City of Atlanta Waterworks to the left and right. New apartments over there, man. Did they tear those other ones down and build it new? Huh. We'll be coming up on 14th Street. Turn to the left and bring us right down to Piedmont Park. Hippie Haven, hippie capital of the 60s. I turn right here, Huff Road. You can go up and then turn left at that stop sign, take you down to the farm, goat farm. They've done a lot of movies there, built movie sets and stuff. You used to be able to, I've got video of that, I don't have much video, but photos. Before they started charging you, you have to buy a permit to go take pictures there now. We started hanging out down here around 95, around 95, 94, 95. We've been coming down here 30 years. The first lady I met after the divorce was a school teacher at the Howard School, and I hadn't messed with Atlanta in a long time, and so she pretty much reintroduced me to Atlanta. I did a lot of stuff. Did volunteer work for Atlanta Preservation Center for 3 years, giving tours of the fox. Fox is very interesting, of course. A whole lot of residential has cropped up down here. I tell you what, I don't know where in the world all these people have come from. Well, I guess I do. Midwest, North, and the West. Yeah, this is 14th here to the left. Yeah, just look at all this stuff. And we have to watch. Pedestrians have the right of way. We need to stop if they're going to, if somebody wants to cross. Yeah, all this residential. Of course, you got business on the lower level and residential up higher. Atlanta Humane Society up here on the left corner. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. We really need the subscribers, views, watch hours. We're trying to build this channel up to where it would at least break even, but we are a long, long way from that. Don't know that we'll ever make it or not. Need to increase this, all our numbers about at least 10-fold. Yeah, probably it's more than that, 12 to 15-fold to be a break-even point. So we're just doing this for recording stuff before, you know, like it is now, and then people will be able to go back and look at these videos and see what it looked like 15, 20 years from now. Okay, coming up down here, we will be coming up, I think that next red light is north side up there, and I think that is, if we can pull over and stop there for a minute, we'll try to get video of the place where Atlanta was surrendered at. September 2nd, 1864. Now, see, I know this history marker has gone missing once, maybe gone missing again. I don't see it. There it is. Okay. We're going to stop right here for a minute. We'll get out and we will check it out. We'll go to the corner and we will do a 360. Okay, history. Surrender of Atlanta, September 2nd, 1864. General Hood in person with Stewart's AC and the Georgia militia abandoned the city. September 1st as a result of Hardee's defeat at Jonesboro, August 31st, and marched south to Lovejoy Station. Federal forces at Chattahoochee River crossing since August 25th, suspecting the evacuation of the city on hearing loud explosions, sent forward a reconnaissance to investigate. Y'all can read it. I don't have to read it to you. There you go, folks. Tomorrow will be the anniversary. City of Atlanta over there. Now, north side, this is north side. We are on, I guess this changes into Marietta Street right here, which goes right on through town, and when it crosses Peachtree, I guess it turns into DeKalb Avenue, Decatur Street. Oh, almost tripped. Okay, looking north, up Northside Drive. Turning, looking northwest, down Howell Mill. Looking south or southwest, north side. And like I said, looking right straight into City of Atlanta on Marietta. The Olympic Park, all that stuff's down there about a mile or so. Okay, I think we may do a short of this right here. We'll turn this off, we'll do a short, and then well, that'll probably be the end of this one. And then we'll pick it up from here and go somewhere.